Welcome to Longboat Key with its 10 miles of beautiful beach of sugar white sands. "3513 Fair Oaks Court is located in the community of Queens Harbour behind the gates of the Longboat Key Club. A single-family home community with the convenience of maintenance-free living. Approaching the home from the pavered driveway and walkway, you are greeted by custom-cut glass front doors. The foyer is bordered with 4 columns, a high ceiling, crown molding, and inlaid tile patterned floor design. Continuing on to the living room, you notice the glass sliding doors stretching across the back, the built-in media center, and the decorative ledges. The home is now offered turnkey furnished. So just bring your own toothbrush. For those chilly winter mornings and nights, a stone gas fireplace appoints the room. A beautiful formal dining room can be found just off the living room. The kitchen is spacious with lots of custom wood cabinets and a chef's desk. A center island with a prep sink. Granite counters and decor 5-burner gas cooktop. Appliances include 2 wall ovens, a warming drawer, professional-grade refrigerator and Bosch dishwasher. An informal dining area overlooks the pool and outdoor kitchen. All on one level with a split floor plan, the home boasts a spacious master suite with double-door entry. It opens directly to the pool. Through the aquarium windows you overlook the golf course fairway. The large master bath features his and her vanities and his and her custom-fitted closets. It is appointed with granite countertops, glass block shower, and spa tub. The shower is spacious in size and features walls of marble. The guest bedroom at the other end of the home is spacious in size with wood flooring and an en-suite bath. The 13 by 12 foot office or den has a wall of custom built-ins, a window seat for storage, and wood flooring.